I should speak about Maša. Not because I have to, because I want. When me and Maša met, it was a great day. Well, I cannot talk about that because they're getting married. Okay, when we saw each other on the second party, well, I like Anton, I cannot talk about
it. You do mean that Maša, the blonde one who smiles a lot and is getting married with that French guy, right?
Yes, but he's Belgian.
Oh. Potato.
But really, guys, who is this Maša? Oh, but she's fine.
Yeah, Maša je fajn punca.
Maša je bila moja kraljica. Maša.
Happy life together, guys!
Bila je bila moja kraljica.